Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate from cocoa powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar, and a fat such as cocoa butter or coconut oil. You'll also need a double boiler or a microwave-safe bowl for melting. Having these items ready ensures a smooth process as we begin our chocolate-making journey. Let's get started with the preparation. Next, gently melt your chosen fat, like 1/2 cup of cocoa butter, using a double boiler or microwave on low heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder until the mixture is smooth and lump-free. Then, slowly incorporate about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, or more, to achieve your desired sweetness. Stir continuously to ensure everything is well combined. Now, it's time to add those delightful finishing touches. Stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic chocolate aroma and taste. A tiny pinch of salt can also enhance the flavor profile, balancing the sweetness beautifully. Once thoroughly mixed, carefully pour your warm chocolate mixture into silicone molds or a parchment-lined tray. Work quickly before it sets. Finally, the moment of truth. Place your filled molds into the refrigerator and chill for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm. Once hardened, gently pop the chocolate out of its molds. Your homemade chocolate is now ready to enjoy. Store any remaining pieces in an airtight container at room temperature for optimal freshness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.